guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy XRP in the USA. It's really easy to get your XRP if you're from the US. All you need to do is make sure your browser is open. And for today, I'm going to be going with the Google browser. And the website of interest for today is bitget.com. So now you're looking to get some XRP and you don't know how. All you need to do is simply sign up for the BitGet app or the website. Both work the same. So click on the sign up with email or mobile. Once you've clicked on it, you're taken to the registration menu, and once you've filled in all the necessary information, that's your email and password, click on I have read and agree to the user agreement. And then click on create account. You're taken through the verification process. And once it's done, the 6-digit verification code is going to be sent to your email. So all you need to do is simply put in that code. Okay, guys, and you're signed up successfully. All you need to do now is simply verify your identity. That's the identity verification is necessary to enable the spot trading, copy trading, P2P trading, deposits, and Launchpad. So you could either verify now or verify later. But let's do that later on. You could get coupons worth 600 USDT max, 300, 1000, and a lot more as you deposit and trade on the BitGet platform. Okay, guys, and as it was stated before, the identity verification is required to buy, sell, deposit, trade crypto on BitGet. And in order to complete your verification process, you're dropped at the dashboard where you can simply scroll down and click on complete identity verification. Please note that this identity verification is necessary to unlock all of the perks of BitGet. So once you've completed the identity verification, all you need to do to get yourself some of the XRP is really simple. The hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, click on this icon here. Click on the buy crypto option and you can select your payment method. So for those of us or for those of you in the US, click on the USD option, scroll through if you can't find the dollar, but if you do, select the USD, select credit or debit card, click on this option here. Now, by doing this, we can purchase the XRP directly from BitGet as we've completed the identity verification. You can do this. So simply click on the cryptocurrency. It's currently set to USDT. So if you click on the USDT, scroll down and select the XRP that's available, you could enter the amount of USD you wish to spend. So let's say we've got up to $20. Yeah, $20. You could receive 32.48 XRP. That's at the standard price of XRP. And all you need to do this, or all you need to perform this transaction is just complete your identity verification, add your Visa or your MasterCard to the website. BitGet.com has an app, so you could download this from the Play Store if you feel like you need the app. But if you're working well with the website, all you need to do is simply add your card and click on Buy XRP. That's the Buy XRP icon that's here. So by doing this, you could get yourself some of the XRP and you could hold this XRP or do whatever you need to with the XRP. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can buy XRP in the US and be given an answer. Thank you.